So if in a double leg, the push-pull is here. I pull here and push there. And here. And with that penetration, here's my pull, and there's my push with the head. Okay, so I change angles. With a single leg, I need to mirror and use my back hand. And often what they'll do is they'll grab you with their collar tie. There. So what have they done? They've given you that front leg. So what I'm going to do is pull up here like this. See that? Pull up there, and then drive in here like this. Have the head around chest height, looking at this shoulder. So you develop that habit of looking up at the shoulder. And I have my arms pulling and my head pushing, and you just create this push-pull problem. Collar tie, he'll go collar tie on the opposite side, and I'm coming there. I want to drive in. If I don't want to go to my knee, what I'm going to do is literally blast to his chest. Boom, there like that, and I get my eyes up. The hands can be here, and I want to either pinch the legs or pull the leg, and my head is pushing like that. So I want to create a difficulty for him to keep his feet. What I like to do here is when I take it down, drag his leg down in line with the leg. So I'm actually pulling the leg like that. Okay, if I lift the leg and he's athletic, he'll just bounce around all day. But if I pull the leg down and he tries to hop, it just gets harder and harder for him to hop. Okay, I grab it. If he grabs, I'm going to pop under there and come here like this, and I have, whoops, hands like that. Sometimes I end up like this by mistake. There, with the head up. I'm going to push the head and pull the legs like that. The primary thing you need to look at in terms of affecting this as a single is mirrored leg. If I'm like this, it's really hard to get the single. I'm here, boom. See how close my arm is there? Boom. There, straight away. And I get my head up high immediately. Okay? Pull the arms in and down and push to the chest. My head, and I come past.